What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme down the gravel pit. Finally with the Traxxas XMAXX, M2Cified and the WFO-WideXMAXX. Stripped my servo horn, and too bad I missed to center it, so it's not going straight. So I'm not sure actually how it will work here. So this is the WFO Wide KIT aluminum. So it's kind of hard to keep it in a straight line, guys, as you can see. What a beast! Oh, I need to fix that because it's suspension wire. Would be fun to floor it all the way, but it's kind of hard to keep it straight. The motor connectors. Yeah, they are really loose, so yeah, I'm not gonna push it more. And it's also, yeah, WFO everything, Motormount, gears, wide kit, also the M2C chassis brace and the twin center shaft. Smart move, flea bag. Yeah, need to put that sleeves out back on again. Well, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.